Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable startup apps in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop and you're facing the issue that whenever you turn on your laptop or your PC, you might see the error that your apps automatically starts and run in background, which slow down your PC and might also affect on your battery performance. So let's see how can you disable your startups apps. You just have to simply press the window button from your keyboard, and here just simply search for settings, and in settings just look for apps section over here, select apps, and apps, and just look for startup. Here I have the startup option, just select this option here, and here you will see all the apps which have access to start on startup or on whenever your PC power on. So here you must see that I have enabled the setting only for my IDM, my Microsoft Ads, my Steam, WhatsApp, and Windows security notification. So you can disable it for every app you want to. If you want to disable the setting for your Copilot, so you can also do that from here. You can also disable your Microsoft Edge if you want to. Here's the Steam or all the apps which run on startup of your PC. So you can disable them from here. So in this way, you can easily disable startup apps on your PC or in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video.